Here I've got Samsung A400 and let me show you how to change display contrast on the following device. So at first you have to open menu, then find and select phone settings, and now go to the contrast. You will find it right here over there, so just click on select and now you can change it. So just tap on the down and up buttons, and as you can see, this is how it's changed. So you can smoothly change the contrast. You can pick the higher level, middle, or the lower, and then click on OK. So I will choose some fan in between. I think that's OK. Tap on OK. And as you can see, it is changed. So that would be all. So you can change contrast in your device, in your Samsung. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.